Wait, this is a furnace?
Yeah, this is the furnace.
What did they just as water power?
There would be mines up in the hills that would pull out iron ore, and they would heat it, and they would melt, and the impurities would kind of come to the top, and they could scrape them off, but then they would have it run out, and then these little
What's this? What's this trail right here? Might be a fire road or something. So why they? Oh. And why are they calling this trail? Oh, we got a spring. Nice.
You think that your dad would let us go down?
No,
Really? Why?
because he's mountain bikers. We took off the trail so many times.
It literally cuts our trip in half.
That's a spring.
Like that would literally cut our trip in half.
No, we're not there yet. We're probably somewhere around here.
Regret you.
No. We haven't gone to the base yet. Some signs. Woohoo! We did it. Yeah, yellow trail, orange, blue, and white trail. All right, we did it. Nice. Probably State Route 619. So that's the. God, look at that boy's poop. Oh crap, there's so much more. Same. We have just reached Elizabeth Furnace Overlook. How is everybody excited to see Elizabeth Furnace Overlook?
Yeah! Yeah!
Okay, like it's like a cloudy view, but it's still pretty good.
It's actually a good view. We're up in the
I'm
clouds.
eating my ginger snap.
It's actually not bad.
Right. Occasionally, like a cloud comes in.
The hike was fun.
That little
Yeah,
bit.
the hike was actually really
Except
fun.
I don't want to see another rock in my life.
Wow.
Yo, I have like 5 hours of homework. This is like sucking.
Okay.
Hi, this is News Channel Furnace, and we have a breaking news story here on top of the Elizabeth Furnace Overlook. We just found out that Will identifies as a toaster oven.
Will, how do you feel about being a toaster oven?
Great.
That's all for the Elizabeth news.
Back to you, Nick.
Yeah. Hi.
Why?
Alex, you stepped in it!
Nick, what are you doing?
Yo, Will! Will you go away?
Oh!
Wait, what's the riddle?
A white box, no lock nor key, but hidden inside is the golden treasure.
Time.
Doesn't even rhyme.
We're continuing down the Massanutten / Buzzard Trail down to Elizabeth Furnace area, Fort Valley area, and then we'll be headed off home. In total, we'll probably be hiking around for this entire weekend, Friday through Sunday, about 15 miles, which is a lot, because this is our first overnighter. Oh my gosh, there's the rocks. Unfortunately, we did not have time for signal knot because we didn't have enough water. Oh yeah, the cave!
Right here, you idiot.
What?
Right here. Yo, does anyone else know any more?
What is a river that's always flowing?
Your mom.
Oh my gosh, you got on the GoPro.
Hold on.
Good job. Good job.
What did you say?
And there are high peaks over there.